We're in, bro, we're in. We're in. Yes. Let's go, let's go. I knew there'd be a little passage. Fucking 2 meters, not even that. A meter. Ah, check the old sandbags from the war. This is like a bunker, mate. This is a bunker. This is probably, yeah, wait. Look at all the sand, bro. Somebody's left a bag there. I well thought it's somebody's, oh yeah, get that torch out of the bag out the front, mate. No, don't tell me we're going into the bunkers. Do not tell me we're going into the bunkers. There it is. Look at it. This is the bunker, mate. Check, somebody's had a shovel. Look, somebody's been digging it. Somebody has actually been digging this, mate, to try and get in the bunker. You ain't digging through that. Silly man. Right, guys. Welcome back to Exploring my Cheek. We've found the underground bunkers of Stockport. Only a little tiny part of it. But yeah, obviously, as I've showed you, you've already seen the other side. But this is it. It's another underground bunker. I'll do another little walkthrough. So the video's not so short for you guys. Because I really do hate doing short videos, but if it's boring, guys, yeah, I'm not going to do a long video of a boring place. But yeah, you can see people have been shoveling things out there. That's it. Basically, air sheltered, Stockport. I did do some the other week that looked a bit different than this. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for joining Exploring my Cheek. We're going to show you a mill in a minute. We're going to a new spot. Don't forget to subscribe. Sweet as a nut. Love you guys. Peace out, motherfucker. Check this. Sure. Grab that. Oh no, might as well. What do you mean somebody's put it here? Yeah, because they've been thieving. Oh, they're flipping that. That would have been ages ago, bro. They've been robbing them lights. Worth about 25 quid each then. But look at all the dust. Somebody's man bag. That's what they've come to rob. Right.
You're not going through that hole. No way.
You getting through it?
No way.
100% getting through it.
Fuck that, pal.
Come on, Wesley, it's your fucking second time urban exploring. Come on, lad, you can get through that hole. Trust me. I've been through all smaller, mate, to get an absolute sick arse asylum. Underground bunker, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Exploring my Cheek. Underground bunker. You know the drill. Peace.